A spark plug is an electrical component that is used in internal combustion engines to ignite the fuel mixture by creating a spark. When the spark plug fires, it generates an electrical spark that ignites the fuel-air mixture in the combustion chamber, which drives the engine. The spark plug was invented in 1860 by Etienne Lenoir, a Belgian engineer who developed the first internal combustion engine. However, it wasn't until the early 1900s that the modern spark plug was developed by Robert Bosch, a German engineer who founded the Bosch company. The design of the spark plug has undergone numerous improvements over the years, but the basic principle remains the same. There are several types of spark plugs available, and they differ based on their construction, materials, and heat range. Some of the most common types of spark plugs are 1. Copper core spark plugs. These are the most basic type of spark plug, and they have a copper core that provides good thermal conductivity. 1. They are inexpensive but have a shorter lifespan than other types of spark plugs. 2. Platinum spark plugs. These spark plugs have a platinum tip that improves their durability and lifespan. 2. They are more expensive than copper core spark plugs but require less maintenance. 3. Iridium spark plugs. Iridium spark plugs have an iridium tip that provides better performance and longer lifespan than both copper and platinum spark plugs. 3. They are the most expensive type of spark plug but are also the most durable. 4. Double platinum spark plugs. These spark plugs have a platinum coating on both the center and ground electrodes, which makes them last longer than standard platinum spark plugs. 5. Racing spark plugs. These spark plugs are designed specifically for high-performance engines and racing applications. 5. They have a unique electrode design and heat range that can handle extreme temperatures and high RPMs. 6. Cold spark plugs. These spark plugs have a heat range that is designed for engines that run cooler. 6. They are often used in turbocharged or supercharged engines. 7. Hot spark plugs. These spark plugs have a heat range that is designed for engines that run hotter. 7. They are often used in high compression engines or engines that are used for towing or hauling. There are several companies that manufacture spark plugs, and some of the leading ones are 1. NGK spark plugs. NGK is a Japanese company that is one of the largest manufacturers of spark plugs in the world. 1. They offer a wide range of spark plugs for different types of engines and applications. 2. Denso spark plugs. Denso is another Japanese company that is a leading manufacturer of spark plugs. 2. They are known for their high-quality products and innovative technology. 3. Bosch spark plugs. Bosch is a German company that is well known for its automotive products, including spark plugs. 3. They offer a range of spark plugs for different types of engines and applications. 4. Champion spark plugs. Champion is an American company that has been manufacturing spark plugs for over 100 years. 4. They offer a wide range of spark plugs for different types of engines, including racing engines. 5. Autolite spark plugs. Autolite is an American company that has been manufacturing spark plugs since the 1930s. 5. They offer a range of spark plugs for different types of engines and applications. 6. AC Delco spark plugs. AC Delco is an American company that is a subsidiary of General Motors. 6. They offer a range of spark plugs for different types of engines and applications, including OEM replacements for GM vehicles. 7. Motorcraft spark plugs. Motorcraft is a subsidiary of Ford Motor Company that manufactures a range of automotive parts, including spark plugs. 7. They offer a range of spark plugs for Ford vehicles and other makes and models. Spark plugs are made through a manufacturing process that involves several steps. The exact process can vary slightly depending on the manufacturer, but the general steps are as follows. 1. Forming the shell. The spark plug shell is formed from a cylindrical piece of metal, usually steel or brass. 1. The metal is heated and then pressed into a mold to form the shape of the shell. 2. Adding the insulator, the shell is then coated with a layer of ceramic or other insulating material. 2. This layer is applied by dipping the shell into a bath of the insulating material, or by spraying it onto the shell. 3. Creating the electrodes. The center electrode and ground electrode are created separately from the shell. 3. The center electrode is typically made from nickel alloy or other conductive material, while the ground electrode is made from a harder material such as platinum or iridium. 4. Assembly. The center electrode and ground electrode are then inserted into the insulator, and the gap between them is set to the proper distance using a machine. 5. Sealing. The spark plug is then sealed with a metal or rubber gasket to prevent leaks. 6. Quality control. The finished spark plugs are tested to ensure that they meet the required specifications for performance and durability. Once the spark plugs are manufactured, they are packaged and shipped to distributors and retailers for sale to customers. Thanks for watching.